Okay, so we have seen in the last video that how the invention of the wheel and the discovery of the fire has changed the human life, and they started settling themselves in the caves and the area near about the river, and how the fire helped them also to protect themselves from the wildlife. It also is a source of the energy, and they also started cooking whatever the animals they used to hunt. Okay, now we will see that around 25,000 years ago there was a major change in the Earth's atmosphere. 25,000 साल पहले अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर में एक बहुत बड़ा चेंज होता है, एंड दिस ऑल्सो चेंज द लाइफ ऑफ द ह्यूमन बीइंग. Due to the increased heat of the sun, grass and meat-eating animals started living and flourishing on the grass plains. क्योंकि इस क्लाइमेट चेंज के कारण जो सन से हीट आता था वो इंक्रीज हो गया था, इस वजह से ग्रास एंड मीट ईटिंग एनिमल्स भी ज्यादा रहने लगे थे. एंड द फ्लरिशिंग ऑन द ग्रास प्लेन, और जो प्लेन एरिया था उस पे ये जो ग्रास ईटिंग एनिमल्स थे, दे हैव स्टार्टेड स्पेनिंग देयर लाइफ. द ग्रास ईटिंग animals or the herbivorous animal started living on the plain area. Man discovered the grain of the wheat, jowar, etc. Okay, due to the plain area, due to the increase of the heat, man also discovered the grains, and they started doing the cultivation. Okay, they started doing the एग्रीकल्चर. उनको ये पता लगने लगा धीरे धीरे कि हम कोई चीज की सीड्स है वो मिट्टी में डालते हैं, देन इट ग्रोज एंड देन वी कैन कंज्यूम इट. People started meeting each other often and the socialism increased. Because there was agriculture, so they have to settle at a one place. एग्रीकल्चर ऐसा नहीं कि आज आपने पेड़ उगाया, कल वो उसमें फ्रूट आ गया, आपने खा लिया, परसों आप चले गए. So you have to settle somewhere so that you can do the agriculture. उसमें बीज बोना, पानी डालना, providing the it should get the appropriate sunlight, फिर उसकी देखरेख करनी पड़ती है. Then after 3-4 months it gives the fruit. Okay, so these actually the process of the agriculture make the human beings settle at a one place, and due to which they often started meeting each other, they become the socialized, and because of the need of the communication, there was a development of the signs and the gestures among the human being. The daily roles of the man and woman during the early time are still unclear. आज भी हमें पता नहीं है कि अर्ली लाइफ में मैन एंड वुमेन के काम अलग अलग होते थे या उनके काम डिवाइडेड थे. डिड मैन एंड वुमेन हंट टुगेदर, क्या वो दोनों एक साथ हंटिंग करते थे, वेयर द मैन यूज्ड टू do the hunting and make tools while the women painted on the walls of the cave. क्या मैन नहीं हंटिंग करते थे और टूल्स बनाते थे, एंड वुमेन क्या पेंटिंग करती थी केव्स पे. सो स्टिल वी आर अनक्लियर अबाउट द रोल्स ऑफ द मैन एंड वुमेन, और मे बोथ ऑफ देम आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग. Nevertheless, we can see that the man's knowledge and the awareness of the life started to increase gradually. Now, slowly, gradually, जो मैन का नॉलेज है अबाउट द लाइफ, अबाउट द प्रोसेस ऑफ द nature, about the agriculture, knowledge of the agriculture started increasing, and their awareness for the life also started increasing gradually. Now the hips of the buried animals' bones and the dead bodies have excavated in the Langhanj and the Akhaj in the Sabarmati region of, and the Amrapur of the Mahi river region. So these are the three regions in the Gujarat: Langhanj, Akhaj and the Amrapur, from where we got the hip. Hip means ढेर कोई चीज का, या hip of the buried animal bones and the dead bodies have been excavated. इस तरह के हमको remains मिले हैं excavation पे इन 3 जगह से. Thus we can see that the people lived in the riverside region during the Stone Age. Okay, Stone Age जो लेटर स्टोन एज का टाइम था उसमें लोग हैं वो उन लोगों ने स्टार्ट कर दिया था. दे हैव स्टार्टेड लिविंग नियर द रिवर रीजन. See, these all we got during the excavation. Now as the people started living near or started settling near the river region, and we consider that after that only around the 4th century BC, the people of the Harappan civilization lived in the kubas, mean the clay huts, and formed the unbaked clays. So इसके बाद ही कुछ हरप्पन civilization start हुआ होगा. This we will discuss in the detail in the next chapter. Okay. Later they developed the art of making the bronze metal pots, and the people of the Harappans also started making the bronze metal pots. Earlier they only used to make the earthen vessels. They tamed the ship gods and made the clay vessels and painted them. So in starting what they have started, क्योंकि उन लोगों ने एग्रीकल्चर करना सीख लिया था, so they have now started taming the animals like the sheep, goat, and made the clay pots. They consumed the milk of these tamed animals, and they also painted these vessels. So we have seen that how step by step man moved toward the civilization and then toward the modernization. He developed his skills using his own intelligence, that by using the skills of the animal hunting and the taming animals underwent the process of their civilization. Okay, जो skills और intelligence वो hunting में use करते थे, that same they have started using in the taming and the cultivation, and that is how their life has been gone better day by day, and they have started progressing. He developed his skill of the representation through the signs, signal, gestures, and the suggestions. And as they started becoming more and more socialized, so they developed the sign, signals, gestures to communicate with each other. He started sowing and reaping the grains and rearing the cattle side by side. और धीरे धीरे उन लोगों ने sowing, reaping the grains, ये सब कुछ सीख लिया है. उन्होंने ये भी सीखा कि how the season change, then we have to change the agricultural process, and they also used to rear the cattle side by side. Okay, so this is how the man from from the state of food hunters and the gatherers become the food producer, and they started settling on the one place. And this is how the socializing of the human being had started, and the civilizations started in the world. Okay, children.